Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Right now, it's happening. Bitcoin is testing a critical area of resistance after bouncing from key support. Ethereum is also retesting a critical resistance level, while Chainlink is holding firm at an important support zone. Meanwhile, Solana could be breaking out above crucial resistance, and XRP is heading towards an important resistance line. I'll break all of this down in detail, so make sure you stick around to the end. You won't want to miss this. Let's start with Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Technically speaking, we're still in a larger bull market, even if there hasn't been much movement over the past day. But here's the thing, Bitcoin is showing signs of a repeat pattern from exactly 1 year ago. In October 2023, just like now, we saw a bullish crossover in the weekly MACD, which led to a massive rally over the next few months. Now, in 2024, we're seeing a similar setup again. But hold up, this doesn't mean we're out of the woods just yet. History shows us that after the initial surge, we often see some choppy sideways movement. The big question is, are we in for another surge soon, or is the market gearing up for a short-term pullback? Now, let's zoom in and look at the daily chart of Bitcoin. There's a bearish divergence still hanging around, but it's on the verge of invalidating itself. The price of Bitcoin is nearing a breakout in the daily RSI, which would signal that the divergence is no longer valid. But we haven't quite seen that breakout yet. So, will we push higher and invalidate the bearish divergence, or will the market hold us back in this uncertain zone? For now, the bearish divergence on the weekly chart is still active, which suggests a possible slowdown over the next few weeks. But, here's the thing, this doesn't mean the bull market is over. We've seen these kinds of slowdowns before, followed by massive moves later on. It's crucial to stay alert, things can change quickly. Let's turn our attention to Ethereum. It's still in a larger multi-year bull market, despite some short-term corrections. Right now, Ethereum is forming what could be a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern. If we see a breakout above $4,000, it could trigger a major move upwards, potentially targeting $7,000. But this pattern isn't confirmed yet, it all depends on how Ethereum behaves over the next couple of weeks. Moving on to Chainlink, it's currently holding the golden pocket support between $21 and $23. If it manages to stay above this level, we could see a bounce towards $31. But break below $21, and we're looking at the next support levels around $18 and $16. The price action here is key, and we need to keep an eye on these critical levels to understand where Chainlink is heading next. And then there's Solana, currently making waves with a potential breakout above resistance. If it holds, we might see new highs around the $220 level. But we're not there yet. The next few days will be crucial in confirming whether Solana's breakout is legitimate, or if we'll see it pull back. Finally, XRP is moving towards a key resistance level. It's flirting with the line at around $2.52. Will it break through or get rejected once again? You won't want to miss this one, because it could change the entire short-term narrative for XRP. So, what's next for all these cryptos? It's all about watching key support and resistance levels, because things are changing fast. If you want to stay ahead of the game and make sure you're not caught off guard, check out this next video on the channel, where I dive deeper into trading strategies for these exact scenarios. Whether the market is bullish, bearish, or moving sideways, I've got you covered. Click the link, and I'll see you there.